Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about that the component of a GIS, hardware, software, data, people, and the method. The component of GIS. The course outcome of this topic is explain the fundamental concept of GIS. It will be joined PO1 and PO5 and then PSO1. The course outcome of this topic is explain the fundamental concept of GIS. So see the overview of GIS. The spatial data are organized into different kind of layer vector and then raster. Finally we got the real world. How this work is going to happen, what are the components are need to do that kind of work. So the five important component of GIS is: first one is the people, then second method and then procedure, then data, hardware, software. Through this way the GIS will be work. The method and procedure the people should know with the help of some data, with working of hardware and then software. That is the main component of GIS. The components of GIS, first one hardware. The hardware is the computer on which a GIS operates. Today, GIS software runs on a wide range of hardware types, from centralized computer server to desktop computers to smart mobile, including smart watches used in a standard alone or networked configuration. Then software. GIS software provides the functional and tools needed to store, analyze, and display geographic information. Key software components are tools for the input and manipulation of geographic information, a database management system, tools that support geographic query, analysis, and visualization, a geographical user interface for easy access to tools. Data. Possibly the most important component of a GIS is the data. Geographic data and related tabular data can be collected in-house or purchased from a commercial data providers. A GIS will integrate spatial data with other data resources and can even use a DBMS used by most organizations to organize and maintain their data to manage spatial data. People. GIS technology is limited without the people who manage the system and develop plans for applying it to real world problems. GIS users range from technical specialists who designed and maintain the system to those who use it to help them perform their everyday works. Hardware and software have seen tremendous development which made people easy to run the GIS software. The people are main component for the successful GIS methods. A successful GIS operate according to a well designed plan and business rules, which are the models and operating practice unique to each organization. Any organization has documented their process plan for GIS operation. These documents address number question about the GIS methods, number of GIS expert required, GIS software and hardware, process to store the data, what type of DBMS are, and more. Well designed plan will address all these questions. GIS thematic layers and data sets. GIS organizes geographic data into a series of thematic layers and tables. Data in a GIS are referenced to geography. They have real world locations and could overlay one another. The geospatial data, two main components: spatial component, where is it? Non-spatial thematic component, what is it? The representing spatial element, raster, vector, real world. So the assessment part this session: which of the following is not a component of GIS? Three basic kind of vector entities are. Then third one, which of the following is not an example of spatial data? So kindly fill the assessment and find out about your problem difficult for the understanding of the concept. The way the assessment is more useful for you. So it will be given a clear idea about the practical knowledge of GIS. These are the reference method materials. Thank you.